What if your eyes could unlock a digital ID for the world? Sam Altman's Worldcoin just launched its eyeball scanning tech in the US, and it's sparking huge buzz and some serious concerns. Is this the future or a privacy nightmare? Let's find out. Worldcoin, backed by OpenAI's Sam Altman, is a bold project aiming to give everyone a unique digital identity using iris scanning tech. The idea? Verify you're human in an AI-driven world, unlock crypto rewards, and maybe even access universal basic income. Sounds wild, right? But it's real, and it's rolling across the US. So how does it work, and why is everyone talking? Let's dive in. Worldcoin's star is the Orb, a sleek silver device that scans your iris in seconds. It creates a unique code tied to your eyes, stored on a blockchain for secure, anonymous identity verification. No names, no personal data, just proof you're human. The tech promises to fight AI bots, secure online transactions, and even power global economies. In the US, people are lining up to get scanned for Worldcoin's crypto tokens. But it's not all rosy. There's a catch. Here's the big question. Is it safe? Critics are sounding alarms over privacy. Your iris data is super sensitive. What if it's hacked or misused? Worldcoin says the data is encrypted and anonymous, but skeptics on X are not convinced. Plus, there's worry about surveillance and how governments or corporations might use this tech. On the flip side, supporters argue that it's a game changer for secure, bot-free digital spaces. It's a heated debate. Worldcoin's just getting started. They're expanding globally, with millions already scanned. If it works, this could reshape how we prove identity online. But if privacy fears win out, it might face major pushback. The tech is groundbreaking, but it's up to us to decide if it's worth the risk. What do you think? Would you scan your eyes for Worldcoin? Let's hear it below. Worldcoin's eyeball scanning tech is pushing boundaries, but is it the future or a step too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Scan or skip? And don't miss more cutting-edge tech news. Subscribe to GadInsider and hit that bell for more tech updates.